Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and today I am here to share some happy mail that I received. It was sent by Ada, who is MSICU 1221. Hey, Ada, I received everything. Oh my God, I can't wait. I did open this one up yesterday to share with her and let her see what came in, but I wanted to do these other, on camera, so I didn't open them. I just got them. I'm super excited to see what she sent, and oh my God, thank you, Ada. This is going to go a long way. I'm going to be adding these into my shop, so I'm like super excited to see what they are and what they look like, and oh my goodness. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to open these up, and then we're going to go ahead and get this video started. All right, I just got this one open now. All right, you guys, I'm gonna share with you guys the first one, and I'm like so super excited. If you're familiar with my channel, then you know that I've been working with resins as of lately. This is like a whole new endeavor to me, even though it's something that has always called my attention and I've always wanted to do. If you're familiar with my art, you know that my art is extremely dimensional for the most part. At least a good 80% of my artwork is always dimensional. And so I'm always incorporating, all different types of items. But I never really dove too deeply into the world of resin. I've recently opened up a shop, and I've been working on and selling my designs there as well. And I was hoping to be able to add to that and create some resin pieces, things to go with that as well. I'm going to put this little treasure chest here because the samples for this are in here. So I'm just going to open that up in a second. And so I've been just like, oh my God, it's just been a whirlwind adventure. Honestly, it really has. This whole year has just been one roller coaster ride. But it's been awesome so far, especially when it comes to the creativity. So you guys, it's this mold and this mold. Now this mold, I did previously purchase. I just shared a haul with you guys not so long ago for these molds, but this is going to be super cool because now I get to make more, because I know that these are going to be like nice ticket items right there. They come out so beautifully detailed, and I do have some samples for you guys for this one. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like honestly, I hit the floor when I saw this. Like what happened is that this package, I guess it got wet, so it came a little bit damaged. It was already kind of open in the back, and so I kind of already had like a peek because it was facing, it was facing the side that I can see something sea-themed in there. So like, I couldn't help myself. I just had to like open it, and oh my goodness, when I saw this, like I hit the floor. I think I went down and up and like spun a few times. I was like so excited. I am so excited, you guys. I don't have many fishes. I have a koi fish that I just got a mold of, and now I have more fishes. And not only do I have fishes, I have this humongous starfish right here, you guys. And this is the starfish. And oh my God, look how nice and dimensional. And I'm already working on the catalog for the new resin pieces that I'm going to be selling on the site. And some of them are going to be obviously from molds that I purchased, but I'm also working on my own designs. If you watched my last video that I uploaded, which is a canvas that I created, the bird, the big bird that's in the centerpiece of that canvas is a design that I made. It's a design that I sculpted and molded and then made a replica of. It's actually right here. So I'm also going to be incorporating my own designs as well. This is my master. But for the most part, this is going to be super cool. Look at these fishes, you guys. I think there's 4 of them. Yeah, it's 4 of them. And it's so nice because it brings them facing both directions. So you have, facing in opposite directions, which is awesome because you can always put the fishes going back and forth. Super cool. I mean, it has so many pieces. The only thing that I didn't cast yet, I believe, is the seahorse. And I don't think I fully casted this mold and this mold here, but I did do the other. I did do the seashell, which I think will look super cute. I've seen some resin like clam purses, and I can make like little tiny you know, stick a little gem in there. You can stick a little jewel in there and make like little clams, like with pearls inside, or make like little clam purses. If you stick like a little hinge on both sides, then they can open and close. Like there's just so, oh my God, you guys. My world is like expanding as we speak. I'm trying to see if I find any of the other ones in here, but there's just so much white. We're in a sea of white. And then this is the anchor. This is one of them, and this is the other one. So you kind of get an idea of what's in here. And I cannot wait. I cannot wait to create with them. I cannot wait to share them. I also have a giveaway going on, which is how a lot of this has been starting. So I have all of these and adding more to it. This is the large one. This is the large prize. And then I have a smaller one. So you guys will have to check out the video to find out the details as to what's what. But yes, you guys, these are the two that I received yesterday. I got those. And now we're going to open one and see what's in here, because I don't know. I didn't even peek. I didn't even peek. I'm telling you, I didn't even peek. So let's see. What is this? Oh my goodness. Ada. Oh, this is so nice. It's two of them. Oh my God. This is beautiful. And this is made by this company here, Green Stuff World. And I guess it's the steampunk version. And oh my goodness. This is what the molds themselves look like. But don't be fooled by the size, you guys. Look at the detail. And my thing will focus. Focus. Let's see if I can get it focused by putting them up here. Ada. If I had you next to me right now, I would squeeze the hell out of you, girl. Wow, this is beautiful. This is so nice. I cannot wait to mold these. And they go great with like the pipes that I just got, which is I have them here. I have them here, like these types of pipes from I don't have the molds here in front of me. I have the molds somewhere else. But if you guys check out my videos, my haul for molds, you'll see all the samples there, and you'll see all of the stuff there. But I will be sharing these very soon, as soon as I get them casted, which I'm going to be doing today. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Wow, Ada. Girl, you have made my day. You don't even know. Actually, you've made this year like just a whole lot brighter overall, honestly. But I think you already know that. So, let's go on to the next one. This one comes with a paper. I don't need to see that part of it. This envelope. Okay, just an appreciation of your order, Ada. Thank you. All right, so let's put that there. Oh, this is a gear? You are kidding me right now. Look at this. I've never seen anything like this. This is the kind of stuff I aspire to like create, like unique, different types of designs and molds and stuff like that. And oh my goodness. And I'm gonna have an update video for my shop probably in the very near future. I have a lot of changes that are gonna be taking place. If you go to my site now, my site right now is a maintenance mode, so you can't make any purchases because I'm changing up a lot of things. I'm changing up the catalog. I'm changing up a lot of different things on there. I'm gonna be eliminating some designs, keeping some. I'm gonna be just doing a lot of different changes. But like I said, I'll do a whole update on that in the near future. But look at this mold, you guys. Look how thick it is. And it's very nicely made. It's got a number 555. That must be good luck. Today's my lucky day. This is really, really cool. I cannot wait to cast this. I love this humongous gear right here. And the hearts in the inside just make it look so interesting. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. This is like a humongous gear, you guys. Ada knows me very well. And then this is the last package. Alright, you guys, I pulled it out of the package. I had to kind of like do a quick edit because I didn't realize that it was going to come with all the information right in the front. So, oh my goodness. You guys, wait till I show you what's under the stencil. And this stencil is absolutely gorgeous. It literally goes well with like the gears. It goes perfect with this whole steampunk ensemble. And this is a Stamperia mixed media stencil. And I've never seen this one before. So I can slip it out. Oh wow, this is cool. It comes with like this is a very smart design of Stamperia for them to come with the little hangers on them as part of the stencil. Very smart. Take the little tape off just so that I can maneuver it a little bit and take it out all the way. This is smart, but I had to take it out. All right, here we go. And I'm just gonna use the backdrop of the paper to show you the detail. Oh my God, I cannot right now. Like, this is amazing, amazing, and I am just like, I cannot wait to play. I cannot wait to play. And it's funny because today I was organizing my shelves. And I found a few canvases that I'm like, oh, I think I want to do these canvases over. You know, obviously as you evolve in your art, you know, your style changes somewhat, or, you know, it adjusts or whatever, it grows, however you want to put it, but it evolves, right? It changes. It goes through changes. And I think I want to create something to represent where I'm at right now. And I thought, how cool would it be to use one of them canvases that I no longer really like anymore, to the same degree that I liked them when I first created them. And it's kind of like building on top of the old. Yeah, that happens here a lot. Like I was saying, it's like building on top of the old. So I think that would be really, really cool. And this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a test run, and I'm going to create a project with all of these things here. And I'm super excited. And this is the mold, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't understand. Yeah, you don't understand, God. I know. This is why I know you're always listening. Because I had this mold, you guys. I've put this mold in shopping carts like all the time. All the time. Every time I go online shopping and there's like a coupon or a sale or something and I find it, I always add it to the cart. And then I end up, you know, doing the math and readjusting and readjusting. You know how we do. We window shop mostly, and then we, you know, figure out what we want. At least some of us do that. I know I'm one of those people. I window shop a lot before I actually, you know, hanker down and say, I'm going to get this. But she's absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And I think out of all of the mermaids that I have seen out there, as far as being, you know, a molded design, I think this one right here by Redesign Prima. Right, this is Prima, or what is this? Decor Molds, Sea Maven. Yeah, by Prima. I think this is the most stunning, the most gorgeous of all of them. I absolutely love her grace, her, like, the posture. I love the whole thing. Like, I love it, love it, love it. And I actually didn't have anything like this, which I was just thinking about. That. Like, I have so many different things now to create like sea themed projects, but I don't have anything like this. And I was actually thinking, like, I have to design some, which I'm still gonna probably do. But now at least I have something to start with. So this is really, really cool. I love it, Ada. Oh my God, I absolutely love it, love it. And it's really big too. Like, it's perfectly made for me. Honestly, thank you. And I can't believe you made it here. Oh my God, I can't believe you made it. Made it to Mama. Yay. Oh my God, you guys. I am so blessed. Honestly, I'm so blessed. And it's just been such a crazy year with everything that's been going on, you know. all of this having to be on lockdown and just everything else. And it's just such a pleasant um, and such a welcomed, surprise to find people and still be able to meet people amidst quarantine, amidst isolation, that just really brings something special to your life. So with that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Ada, you are a blessing, my friend. Thank you so much. I do really appreciate it. You know this is all going to go to great use. And I cannot wait to share a video of an actual project, or maybe I'll go live. I don't know. You guys let me know in the description area down below. If you would like to see, a live stream of me creating this with this, or if you would like to see a video, either way, it's fine with me. If it's a live, I'll schedule it up. If it's a video, I'm going to get working on this as soon as possible. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I got to clean up some of this stuff. I got to keep admiring all the beautiful details on these molds, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.